Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find authority score, organic search traffic, and monthly website visitors using SEMrush. This is to update the records in our teammates' outlets, right? So let's say I'm doing an organic search review, right? And I go in and I come across the Pioneer Woman. I've already created the teammates outlet record. Boom. I've already pasted it into the document. Here it is. Now I notice that they're missing information. So what I need to do is completely fill out the information in this sheet or in this record, right? This is a teammates outlet record. So what I need to do is grab that domain, not the URL, the actual domain, right? The website URL, and put it into SEMrush under domain overview. So you want it to be the actual domain. I put it in here. Then I click search. Then what you get is this report here, right? So there's your authority score. It is a 60, which is pretty good. The organic search traffic is 18 million. So you don't put 18M because you cannot sort by 18M. And we want to be able to sort all of our outlets by the amount of traffic that they get. So you have to put in the entire number, right? 18 million, 18 and 6 zeros. Use the commas, very elementary stuff. And that is then the total monthly visitors. Now to find the total monthly visitors, you have to go into traffic analytics. So you start with domain overview, then you go to traffic analytics and you get 7.5 million. These numbers are not always perfect. So just keep in mind, it might seem a little bit off, but that is the numbers that we're going to work with. So you do the same thing. And that is it. That is how you find the authority score, organic search traffic, and total monthly visitors. Also, always remember to make sure that the relevant keywords are put in from this sheet, right? This is the keyword. This is where we found them. And the specific URL that ranks and the traffic associated with that URL, which you can see is here. Then if the parent company is in there, that's great. Then just put in the social profiles as well. So to find those, you can go to Instagram and you can type in the Pioneer Woman, right? And you can go and find the Pioneer Woman. And this is actually an author. So that is not the right one, surprisingly. But there's the magazine, right? So we will grab this. We see they have 361,000 followers. So we will put that in as well. And then we will do the same exact thing for Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. So I'm not going to do those right now. I think that's self-explanatory. You guys should be able to figure out how to get that information. But if you do have any questions, please let me know. Oh, and then save it out, and we're good to go. Now we have an updated record with a lot of helpful information about the authority and the amount of traffic that this property really brings. And that's helpful for us now because we can go into our outlets record and let's say I just want to find, the ones that have the most traffic. I can go in here and I can create different filters, right? Create different columns here by making some editing to these columns and go and filter by that, right? Because this stuff is all filterable by, the different types of monthly visitors that they get. And stuff like that. So I could find, some of the top publications pretty easily here. But if you have any questions on this, please let me know. Thanks.